Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report, one of Timer Digest's top-ranked stock market timers. And while I've been trading for 30 plus years, we recently started our day trading service. As you can see our record there from 2018. I do average over 700 trades a year, so if you don't want to sit in front of your computer all day, we do have Striker Securities, which will auto trade our account. Okay, today is October 13th, 2020. We're going to look at the S&P 500. We'll look at the IWM, which is the proxy for the Russell 2000. We'll give a look at Tesla too. Okay, I want to go back a little bit and look at what we were talking about before, how we had a Fibonacci time spiral from the September 2nd high, was calling all of the turn points within a day. Okay, it had the 911 low within a day. You can see the chart up here on the top right, the 916 high, the 924 low, and then the 106 high. And this is where we had a make or break point, and it broke. So now what? Okay, that's what we'll cover today, and we'll get a little specific as far as price targets go. So it went above this high, and it is still above this high. So let's look at a daily chart of the S&P, and I'll just show you guys here first what we were originally counting, and then the adjustment we made when we realized we were wrong. The trader, investor, advisor who is never wrong does not exist. Okay, well, this is I started with the new one here. Let me wipe that out a second. Okay, we'll go to what it was and what it will be, or is, shall we say that. We had a 1 up here, a 2 down here, a 3 up here, a 4 down here, and a 5. And we were expecting a retracement of that 5-wave pattern. However, I'm going to wipe that out. Since we had that make or break, we re-examined this count, and this counts a whole lot better, and I'll show you guys how you can use your Fibonacci extensions here. So wave 1 was actually up here at the April 29 high, and this was the wave 2 low down here. And as you can see, 3 would equal 1 right here, and that is at the September 2nd high. So that has to be 3, and this is 4. So we're going to get one more wave up in 5. And right here is that September 16 high. Right here you can see that dotted line, and you can see where the make or break broke. So that's when you got to realize, hey, what's the next count? We got that one wrong, so get on with the next count. So we did. So that'll be 1, 2, and 3. Let me get that a little cleaner for you guys. Well, we'll leave that up there, okay? And then that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. You can see where 5 gains, or 3 gains of 1.618 with 1. But I want to do Fibonacci extension for wave 5. So give me a second here. We'll get in our Fibonacci extensions tools for this 5th wave off the 4th. So if this is the bottom here, and this is 1, we'll go to the 4th wave low there. This might not be exact, but as you can see, our targets, I'll pull this down for you guys here, are right near 4,000. I think I had 4,001 if I took my time and got this right on those numbers. So we had 3985 and 4001 on our charts we gave to our subscribers. So we're looking at the 5th wave up to right near 4,000. So we're going to count it like so. Okay, and you'll see that wave 3 is exactly equal to wave 1 right there. And there is 4 and 5 will be right near 4,000. That's what we're expecting, and this wave here is developing from that turn date September 24 low. Let's go drill down on that a little bit. We can look at a 2-hour chart. Here is that September 24 low, and this wave 5 is developing, so we can count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 extends. Okay, there is 2. You can see we went past where 3 equals 1 right there. There is a higher target. Okay, so this would be 1, and it's a 1, 2, 3 extends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. And then right here you can see it's all fractals. We have another 5 wave that happened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So we can do an extension on that, and we get different targets, and when they match up, it's a beautiful thing. All right, so here we are here. There's 1, there's 2, and you can see 3 right in here. So no coincidence that it stopped right here, started coming down today. This is the 12th and 13th of today. So this is developing. Let's put a Fibonacci 5 waves on this. Okay, we know this is 1. We know this is 2. 3 equals 1 here. It's possible it's topped here just above like the September 2nd did on the daily chart, or it could go up here to the 1618. We have to watch for that to unfold. Let me set that there just to get it out of the way for now. And let's see what we have here from the October 6th. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's perfect. Actually, that's 9 waves, which is a multiple of 5. And then we can expect a 4 here. Let's get a quick Fibonacci retracement of this wave. All right, there's 1, 2. Within 3, there's 1, 2, 3. So this one here should give us right there. Okay, there is the 382 at 34.77. There's the 500 at 34.53, and the 618 at 34.30. However, I did notice that, what was it, the October 6th or the October 9th, this was a perfect 382. I think it was the 9th. Let me clean this up. And we'll do a Fibonacci retracement here. This third wave, this 5th wave, and third of 5th wave is having no problem going higher and higher. So there is from the 9th. And that made a near perfect 500 retracement. We're actually here. There we go. At the 382 and the 500. So we're looking at S&P 4000. It won't go straight up. It'll go up like a ladder like this, but that's what we're looking at. We go back to our chart here. That's what we have. Okay, let's get into the IWM, which is the proxy for the Russell 2000. This is a daily chart. This is August of 2018. As you'll see, follow that dotted line to the right. We get into January and February here, where all the other indexes made a new all-time high, but the small caps, the Russell, is lagging and continues to lag. Okay, so the other indexes have broken above their February or January highs. The Russell has not, and you can see they had an equal decline. And here is this blue line here is where that gap is. And right now, let me get a little closer in here. Right now you can see the Russell is in no man's land. Okay, they came up here, they're looking to fill this gap, which looks like it's at 167.10, and our high so far is 164.24. It may or may not fill that gap, but again, this index is lagging all the other indexes, and this looks like a 5 wave here. I had done, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and I had a target of 166.24. If it gains a Fibonacci 1.6 multiple, you're looking at a 172.31. So that's where we are with the IWM, which is the small caps, which is the Russell 2000. This thing's close to turning over. Again, lagging. Let's take a look at Tesla. We haven't looked at Tesla in a while, and I left my Fibonacci drawings up here. This is the all-time high, 502 back on September 1, and we're looking for a 3-wave correction, A, B, C, down to 288 at a minimum. Let's draw that out for everyone. Let me get my ABC pattern here. There it is. All right, so this would be A, this would be B, this would be a minimum of C. As you can see, it hasn't reached there yet, and it's coming up with some stiff resistance right here around 450. You can see it's touch 5 times, and after that it runs into resistance right up here at the B wave high, which is 461. Okay, If it breaks above this resistance and it breaks above this resistance, then I think it's most likely going to break above the 502 and make a new all-time high. Alternatively, if this holds, which I believe it will, we're looking at a move down to a minimum of 288, and if we can pull up our 1.618 multiple, which is more common for A, B, C gains a 1.618 multiple with A, we are looking at a 180 target. Okay, so what do we need? We need this to hold, 450 to hold, then we need 461 to hold. If those are both broken, then I wouldn't give much hope for 502 holding either. Okay, we'll look at that internal. Well, we looked at that internal wave count. You can see this move up. It comes to a 382, so this would need to move above there to be impulsive. It could very well be impulsive. So that's it. We'll look at Tesla again soon. Remember, we've got a 4,000 target. Our make or break was at the, what was it that we had? The October 6th closing low, I think, of 3360. Does that sound right? Somewhere in there. Anyway, we got the wave count here. We'll do an update on that, but we expect this to go up past the wave 3 high and make a new all-time high in wave 5. We'll watch it closely, give you guys an update. Until next time, take care, everyone. Thank you.